everyone. My name is Bernanda. My partners are Prima Anissa and Dan Fatima Putri. Today, we would like to present you about product analysis of Pempek Mang Anom using basic simplex method. Next. This is our outline. The first is introduction, the second is case study, and the third is analysis, and the last one is summarize. The first is introduction. This is our background. Linear programming is one of the operational techniques which most widely used and well known. Linear programming, also known a mathematical method of allocating resources to achieve a goal such as maximizing profits and minimizing costs. This is the company profile. The company name is Pempek Mang Anom, located in Sukabiru Dayakolot Village, Bandung. Year established 2013. Menu serve kinds of pempek such as kapal selam, lenjer, adan, kulit, and many more. This is the promotion we use. The first is how to determine the mathematical models and sensitivity analysis using KM software. The second one, how to calculate the optimal production with the available ingredients of Pempek Mang Anom. This is our imitation of problem. The first is this research is done only for analysis Pempek Mang Anom. The second, only use non-direct production cost that includes into constraints. The objective, the first is get the mathematical model and analyze the sensitivity using KM software. The second one, get optimal production for the available ingredients of Pempek Mang Anom.
I got it made. He know that, he probably has no chance. But he keep
Hello, I'm Prima Anissa, and now I will explain the case study. First, the case problem. Making an analysis regarding to the best option sellers should take to get the maximum profit based on the demand of the customer and the price provided. So the mathematical model will be, first, the decision variable. We use x1 as the amount of pempek lenjer that are sold, x2 is the amount of pempek kapal selam that are sold, and x3 is amount of pempek adaan that are sold. Objective function. We want to get the maximum profit, so we use maximum z, which is 2000 x1 plus 2500 x2 and 2500 x3. So this is the constraint. The first one is for the demand, and the second one is for powder. The third one is for sagu, and the third one is for fish. And this is the non-negative value. So this is the analyzing. We use the software of KM. This is the initial table. And we do the iteration until 8 iteration. This is the first iteration, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, and eighth. So this is the solution. From the KM software, we can get the how many pempek lenjer, kapal selam, and adaan should we provide. For pempek lenjer, the value is 50, kapal selam is 60, and adaan is 88.5714. Because the adaan is in decimal number, so we use integer programming that will explained by Dian.
Okay, my name is Dian Fatima Putri. I want to explain you about the integer programming. Like Prima Anissa said that the value of adaan that has to provided is still in decimals value. So we have to do the integer programming. First, we have to see the ranking tables. And in this table, we focus on the slack and surplus column. We can see that the constraint that have zero value in slack and surplus column is for ikan or fish. So we have to change the value of ikan until we get the constant z. We start from the 0 for the z value, and we use the 20 as the range of our calculate. And when we start from the 0 until 5,400, we still get the not visible of z value. And after the 5,400, start from 5,420, we get the z value, but this is not the maximum z value until we get the maximum value that when z value is not anymore to be changed. And this is our summarize. We get that the Ranger that has to provide is 50, kapal selam is 60, and adaan is 75. So 40 gram of pempek Ranger will get and 60 gram kapal selam and 74 gram of adaan should be provided in order to get the maximum goals and get the maximum profit, a total of 535,000 based on the customer demands. Okay, thank you for your attention. This is our presentation. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Rap by me, I hear you go. And we can go and ask her what's the difference in us. She say you shout stroking, boy, I put dick in
I
the
see
world.
you looking at my curves, Coke bottle. I see you looking at my curves, Coke bottle. I got that bounce, I'm bouncing, pop me like a rubber